How to make Google Chrome full screen. Okay, you can guys use Google Chrome as a full screen. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the two method then you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome first. Okay, so I just opened the Chrome browser, and as I told you, there is a two method, so you can use as per requirement. So I just open some tab here to explain you properly. Let me open some tab here. Okay, Google also there, and let me open the YouTube. Okay, there's a 4 tab you can see. So first method is you can make the full screen of Google Chrome. You have to just hit the F11, then you can see the full screen has been done, and you can switch the tab from full screen. You have to just hit the control and hold it, and now you need to select the page up or page down. Okay, hit the control key of your keyboard and hold it. Now you can enter up page and down page. You can see the shortcuts key here. Okay, if you want to exit from full screen, you can again hit the F11, or you will see the, just scroll down, just navigate your cursor here on top, and you can see this into button you have to hit, or just hit the F11 again. Okay, so that is how you can make the full screen. And the another option you can use to make the full screen, which is app version. You can use any tab as an app version. So select the tab and just click on 3-dot option, go to the more tools and create shortcuts here, and this is your tabs, and make it open as a window and create, so it is open in like application, and you can use this in full screen. It is useful for only one tab. If you're using only one website or one tab, this is very helpful. Okay, but it is create a shortcuts on your desktop. You can check it and you can delete it from there. Okay, so that is how you can make the full screen of Chrome. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.